This video is just going to step us through the creation of an SLA-Aware service using the SLA SOI framework. First of all, we're just going to show you a slide here that outlines the basic steps that happen in the creation of a service, and we're going to talk about what are the kind of drivers behind that. Then we're going to actually show you the demo of how that all fits together. So the first step in this process is when a business level objective drives a new service that needs to be created or hosted by your IT department. In this example, finance are going to request a new expense system. The next steps in the demo will show how service level and resource level quality of service thresholds can be first of all set and then customized. The last step in the process is when the customer submits the request, and then the SLA SOI framework will go ahead and provision that new service. Alright, we're just going to go ahead and see this in action. So first of all, we're going to log into the UI as the customer. So straight away when we log in, we're going to create a new service, and we're going to populate the service name with expense system. Next, what you do is select an SLA template, and you can select a gold, silver, or bronze SLA template, and it basically sets different quality of service thresholds. These thresholds can each be edited. We're going to continue building our provisioning requests, and we do that first by selecting a gold, silver, or bronze template, and we can add a resource straight away to that. The next thing we can do is set resource level quality of service thresholds and configure those in the same way that you could do with the service level systems. So again, we're going to add that, and we'll add the resource to the request, and when we click finish, the SLA SOI framework will go ahead and provision those virtual machines for us. It's a pretty small provisioning request, so it doesn't take the framework long to complete that task. When it has, what you can see is that there's an expense service listed in the left-hand column. Right, so next we're just going to highlight the expense system and start to see some of the features that the framework can display for you. If we go into the SLA summary tab, you can see some data is already coming through, and this data is showing you the service level quality of service terms. The tabs can show you then resource level, so for virtual machine 1 and for virtual machine 2, we can basically see whether the terms are in compliance or not. For the quality of service graphs, we can see the same, and finally the violation history and warning detail. The last tab just shows service event logging, which acts as an audit trail for everything that's happened with that service. That's it for this demo. Thanks for taking the time to watch it, and check out our other videos on YouTube and check out our website as well.